Hey, what's up? My name's Chase, and today I'm going to show you how to do some do-it-yourself canvas artwork in Photoshop. First, we're going to start by just opening up a picture. I'm going to open up a photo of my friend. I'm going to go to File, Open up my friend.jpg file right here. And now I'm just going to resize it by going to Image, Image Size, and I'm going to make it larger, larger enough to fit as a real piece of artwork on my wall in my house. So let's say 24 by 36. That's a pretty large photo, but I'm going to click OK after I've adjusted the width. Zoom out a little bit so you can see the full image. And now what we're going to do is we're going to apply a filter over that background layer that's going to give an effect that it's a canvas. And to do that, we're going to click on Filter, Filter Gallery, let that box pop up, a menu will load. And it's going to open up several different menus. There's Artistic, Brush, Stroke, Distort, Sketch, Stylize. We're going to click on Texture, which is already opened here. And we're going to click on Texturize, which is going to give us a canvas type texture to our photo. If I just zoom out, you can see that the photo has some lines over it. If you want to zoom in a little further, you can see more detail of the actual canvas lines that are there. You can adjust the scaling and the relief of the lines by just dragging these bars over here. It spreads them out. It makes the line more staggered and dark when you adjust the relief. Let's click OK. It applies the filter over our picture. You can zoom in. You can see that right there. All around, the background, her, everything. It's the entire filter is applied the entire image. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple way to just apply a filter to a piece of artwork that you may already have or an image, so that way you can have some do-it-yourself artwork to hang on your own walls. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name's Chase, and today I showed you how to create do-it-yourself canvas art in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.